I thought that it is not easy to annihilate caste. Perhaps it may not be even possible to annihilate caste. What should be done? So I reached a conclusion that I must take note of caste. Caste is a factor which should not be wished away. We should not try to wish away the caste. Caste is a big factor in India, and wherever the people from India go, if they don't carry anything with them, at least they carry their caste. I have decided that if I had to think about eliminating caste, then I must study more deeply, not on paper, not in books, but in life. I must study more deeply about the caste factor. So, in this conference, while taking note of your desire, all of you have come from all over the world. Your desire is to move towards a casteless society. That is my desire too. But today it is not as intense as it used to be. I feel that if we are to march towards this end, we must not only take note of caste, but we must learn to handle the caste factor. Why I am here today? Why Mr. Pandian met me in Delhi and had discussions with me? And why a lot of people in Delhi try to meet me, even though I keep on moving? Very rarely I am in Delhi. Because they feel that this man has learned to handle caste. This man has learned to handle caste. So, I feel that even if we want to acquire a new vision towards a casteless society, even for that thing, we must try to handle caste. And it is not easy to handle caste. So, in this conference, I would like to make suggestion from my side that if we desire to have a casteless society, without handling caste, we cannot do that.